Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to practice simple English conversations. We will ask and answer over 200 questions on many different topics. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is James.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your pet's name?
Her name is Lucy.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
Do you have a favorite season?
Yes, I love winter.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Martian.
What is your favorite song?
I like pop songs.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite book?
I like fantasy books.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Norway.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax at home.
What did you do yesterday?
I watched a movie.
How was your day?
It was busy.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
What are you doing right now?
I am talking with you.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
What do you like about your job?
I like my team.
Do you ever feel stressed?
Sometimes, yes.
What do you do when you are stressed?
I listen to music.
Do you have a lot of friends?
I have a few close friends.
What's the weather like today?
It's cold and rainy.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I usually have chicken and rice.
Do you cook a lot?
No, not really.
What's the best time of day?
The best time is the evening.
Do you have a favorite app on your phone?
Yes, I like YouTube.
What did you do on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
What's your favorite thing about your country?
I love the food.
What is your favorite holiday?
I like Eid.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't.
Are you a morning person?
No, I am not.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy.
What makes you sad?
Bad news makes me sad.
What is an important thing in life?
Family is important.
What is your biggest fear?
I am afraid of spiders.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
What is a good way to save money?
Making a budget is a good way.
What is a bad habit you have?
I eat too much junk food.
What is a good habit you have?
I exercise every day.
What is the best movie you have ever seen?
Forrest Gump is the best.
What is the most difficult language to learn?
I think Chinese is the most difficult.
Is it easy to find a job?
It's not easy.
Do you think money can buy happiness?
No, I don't think so.
What is the best way to travel?
The best way is by train.
What is your favorite kind of weather?
I like sunny weather.
Do you like to go shopping?
No, I don't like it much.
What is the best way to relax?
I like to take a walk.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite is a pizza place.
What's the most beautiful place you visited?
Paris is beautiful.
What do you think about social media?
It's a good way to connect with friends.
Do you like to go to parties?
I prefer small parties.
What is the most important invention?
I think the phone is most important.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you like to swim?
No, not really.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Are you a good person?
I try my best.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite is summer.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 7 hours.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe in magic?
No, I don't.
What do you do on your birthday?
I eat cake.
Are you a happy person?
Yes, very happy.
What is your lucky number?
My lucky number is 7.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet 7 inches tall.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my friends call me Mia.
What's your favorite time of day?
I like the morning.